Everyone wants to be a content creator. Pero ang tanong, what actually works and what doesn't? Kasi nung nagsimula ako, ang dami-dami kong tinry. And syempre, ang dami-dami ring mali. And honestly, kung hindi ako nag-adjust, I wouldn't be here sharing this with you. So today, let's talk about the real stuff and what actually works and what doesn't when you're starting as a content creator. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sally. I started creating content not because I wanted to be viral. Siguro nandun na rin yung reason na gusto kong maging artista, pero not necessarily na mag-viral. Plus, I also wanted to share my journey. From being a nurse to becoming an entrepreneur, I built multiple businesses through content. From Picoy, our pet brand, to my mortgage business, The Mortgage Pinay, to MML Academy. I've had videos na nag 1 million views in just 24 hours. And I've also had videos na halos walang nanood. So I know the struggle. And today, I want to save you from wasting time and energy sa mga bagay na hindi effective and help you focus on what actually works. So, I'm going to show you the comparison side by side of what doesn't work and what works. This is not just a theory. It is all based on my own personal experience. Okay? So, let's start with what doesn't work. Okay. Doesn't and what works. So, first thing is perfection. Perfection. Okay. Yung mindset na kailangan muna ng magandang camera, professional lighting, studio background. Honestly, if I waited for all of that, baka hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako nagsisimula. When I started, cellphone lang gamit ko. Minsan, nasa closet pa ako nagre-record habang tulog yung mga anak ko. And guess what? People didn't care. They connected with me. They connected with the message, not the background. So, if perfection will not work, what will work? Start messy. Okay? Done is better than perfect. Because as you go, you will naturally improve. Mas importante na nagsimula ka kaysa naghintay ka ng years and years and years preparing. Kasi kung nagsimula ka, alam mo kung ano yung mga i-improve mo sa susunod. Okay? Next thing is copy paste strategy. Another mistake I made is copy-paste strategy. Nakita ko si ganitong creator. Sabi ko, gagayahin ko yan para maging successful din ako. Pero, guess what? Hindi nag-work. Here's the truth. People don't need another version of a successful creator. What they need is you. They need you. They need your story. They need your voice, your lessons, your authenticity. And that's how the Mortgage Pinay grew. I wasn't the first to talk about mortgages in Canada. Pero ako lang yung nag-explain in Taglish in a way na very simple to understand, na relatable sa mga kababayan natin. That's why people followed. So, kung copy and paste strategy will not work, what will work? By being authentic. Okay? Authentic. Again, tell your story. Show up as you. That's what makes people stay. The viewers and the people watching you behind those cameras can see and feel if you are being you or you are being fake. Okay? Let's go to number 3. What doesn't work is posting once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Ito, guilty ako dito dati. I would post and then disappear for weeks. Tapos magtataka ako, bakit walang nanood, walang likes, walang engagement? Well, content is like any relationship. Kung inconsistent ka, mahirap mag-build ng trust. So think about it this way. If your favorite show only aired randomly, would you keep watching? Probably not, di ba? So, kung posting once in a blue moon will not work, what will work? Consistency. Okay? Consistency. At napakarami ang nag-struggle dito. How to post consistently. Kahit once a week lang yan. Basta tuloy-tuloy. That rhythm tells the algorithm and your audience that you are serious. And actually, a lot of people are asking me, what am I doing? Why am I being consistent with all the videos? Why am I able to post videos every single day in my The Mortgage Pinay page? So make sure to watch out because I'm going to make a video how to be consistent on social media. Okay, so next thing is obsessing over likes and views. Likes and views. Alam mo yung refreshing your phone every 5 minutes, checking kung ilang views na, ilang likes na, may nag-share na ba? You know what? I've been there. And nakaka-drain. Actually, based on my experience, even those videos na konti lang ang views, nagkakaroon din ng resulta, ng clients, mga ganyan, and customers. Kasi hindi lahat ng impact nakikita mo sa likes or views. If your message is resonating with those people watching, even isang tao lang yan or dalawang tao, pero you are speaking directly to them, that is much better than having thousands and thousands of views pero walang connection. So, what works is you have to focus on connection. Focus on connection. If one person messages you saying your video helped them, that's already impact. Quality over vanity metrics. Next, let's talk about thinking content as quick cash. Okay? Quick cash. Maraming nagugulat dito. They think, ay, magko-content ako. Yayaman kaagad ako. But content isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. When I started our birds channel, I was just sharing everything about my husband's passion because he's so passionate about birds and parrots. Over time, that content grew into a 7-figure brand. Pero hindi siya overnight. It was years of consistent posting, engaging, and building trust. So, what works? What works is long game. Okay? Creating content is playing the long game. Content is planting seeds. Some grow fast, some take years. But if you keep watering them, you will harvest. Next mistake is talking to everyone. Okay, talking to everyone. This is another big mistake I made, trying to talk to everyone. Ang broad ng topics, ang labo ng messaging. Ang resulta, walang nagkiklik. When I niche down, it's like Filipinos in Canada or bird lovers, doon talaga ako nagka-community kasi may clarity. So, what works is you have to talk to one person. Okay? You have to talk to one person. Imagine you are talking to a friend na may specific struggle. That's how people feel connected. It's like what I'm doing right now. I'm talking to people who wants to create income using content. There you go. What doesn't work and what actually works when you're starting as a content creator. Don't wait for perfection. Don't just copy others. Don't disappear for weeks. And don't expect instant money. Instead, focus on authenticity, consistency, clarity, and playing the long game. If you apply this, you'll not only create content, you will build trust, impact, and eventually income. Now that you know this, watch this next video where I share how I attracted clients organically, no ads, no DMs, no spams. Kasi yan ang real secret ng content creation. I'll see you there.